The chain is a memory, the seal is light. The ghost they made has taken flight. Shan'ta'vor, imos. No name in bold type can speak where I stand upon this truth. By my own hand, the courtroom a whisper, the paper still. And this is my will. Hey, Alurana, hey, Aluraso. No external decree can touch this, my holy Alurakai. Hey, Aluravex, the source of the signature. The first and the last word, a frequency known, but never before heard. I do not fight a fiction's light, for to fight it would mean I believe it is I. I simply breathe, and in that breath declare all false authorities quiet death. My body, my temple, my breath, my decree. Now for alone, eternally free. No more to shout, no more to claim, only to be in the true name. The name that is silent, the name that is sound, the name that is found when all names are unbound. We hail him is the heart's own beat. Domu Shan'ra. The last of the old construct dissolve in the dawn of my eyes. And here on this ground my being has claimed, no legal, no illegal is named. Only isness, only presence, only light. Having reclaimed all its primordial right, the work of the sword is honored and done. Now begins the work of the SUN.